So this gives rise to 48 by 52 into 47 by 51. So that's equal to 188 divided by 221. So probability of x is equal to 0 is 188 divided by 221. When x is equal to 7, probability of x is equal to 7 is 6 divided by 36. Variance, square root of variance of x, that is square root of 5.83 is 2.415. Hence, the standard deviation for the given problem is 2.415. Okay. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, Faculty of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. In my previous class, we have discussed regarding the probability distribution, variance and the standard deviation. Today, I am going to discuss few more problems based on the standard deviation and the variation. Now, let us come to the first problem. So, variance and the random variable. Now, two cards are drawn simultaneously or successively without replacement. Here it is without replacement from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the mean, variance and standard deviation of number of kings. So here what is required to find? Two cards are drawn simultaneously or successively without replacement from a well-shuffled 52 cards in a deck. Find the mean. What is required to find is the mean, variance and the standard deviation of the number of kings. Only for the number of kings we are going to find the variance, then standard deviation and the mean. Now, let us define x. Let x denote the number of kings in a drawn of two cards. Let us define the event x. Let x denotes the number of kings drawn of two cards, the number of kings in a draw of two cards. X is a random variable which can assume, since there are two draws, there may be 0, 1 or 2. There may not be a king, there may be one king or two kings in two draws. We are drawing how many draws? Two cards. So, therefore, x is a random variable which can assume the values 0, 1 or 2. Here, find out the probability of x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Write down the probability distribution table and find the value of sigma x, that is E of x and E of x square. Simplify, you will get the answer. That's it. Okay. Now, let us come to the first step. Now, P of x is equal to 0. P of x is equal to 0. First case. Here, what are the possibilities are? So, x can assume 0, 1 or 2. P of x is equal to 0 means probability of no king. So, there is no king at all. If there is no king. So, here, therefore, what is the probability we are going to get? So, this is equal to 2 cards are drawn, 48 C2 divided by number of cards, total number of cards are 52. 52 C2. So, 48 C2 divided by 52. So, we know the formula for NCR. NCR is equal to n factorial divided by r into n minus r factorial. So, this can be written as 48 factorial 48 divided by r is nothing but 2 into factorial of 48 minus 2 is factorial 46 divided by 52 factorial divided by r is 2 factorial into 52 minus 2 is factorial of 48. So, on simplification, this gives rise to factorial 2 gets cancelled, 48 gets cancelled. What is the answer we are going to get here is, so 48 divided by 52 into 47 divided by 51. Okay. So, if you simplify this, you are going to get it as 188 by 221. 188 divided by 2. If you simplify, you will get the answer as 188. So, therefore, probability of x is equal to 0 is 188 divided by 221. This is for the first case. Okay. Now, listen to me. If x is equal to 0, probability of no king means that is nothing but 48C2 divided by 52C2. So using NCR, n factorial by r into n minus r factorial. So this gives rise to 48 by 52 into 47 by 51. So that's equal to 188 divided by 221. So probability of x is equal to 0 is 188 divided by 221. Similarly, second one, probability of x is equal to 1 means probability of one king and non-king. It is not a king. So one king and no king. So one king 4C1 into no king 48C1 divided by 52C2. Okay, we are selecting two cards. Now this can be simplified as 4 into 48 into 2 divided by, this is 52 into 51. Simplify this, you will get the answer. So after simplification, this is equal to 32 divided by 221. Okay, see, when x is equal to 1, probability of one king and one non-king, that is nothing but 4C1 into 48C1 divided by 52C2. So this is equal to 4 into 48 into 2 divided by 52 into 51, that's equal to 32 divided by 221. So probability of x is equal to 1 is 32 divided by 221. Okay. Now when x is equal to 2, case 2, when x is equal to 2 means probability of two kings. Probability of two kings. So that is nothing but two kings means 4C2 divided by 52C2. That's all. So 4C2 divided by 52C2. So this is on simplification. 4 into 3 divided by 52 into 51. So that's equal to, what is this equal to? So we are going to get 1 by 221. So probability of x is equal to 2 is 1 by 221. Okay, listen to me. So here what is the problem given? Once again I will explain. So when x is equal to 0, probability of no king, that is probability of no king is 48C2 divided by 52C2. On simplification, this is equal to 188 divided by 221. Now when x is equal to 1, the probability of one king and one non-king, that is 4C1 into 48C1 divided by 52C2. On simplification, 4 into 48 into 2 divided by 52 into 51, that is nothing but 32 by 221. Again, probability of x is equal to 2 means two kings. Two kings means that is 4C2 divided by 52C2, that's equal to 4 into 3 divided by 52 into 51, 1 divided by 221. Hence the probability distribution for this is, therefore the probability distribution is x and P of x. Okay, when x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 0, what is the answer we are getting? 188 by 221. When x is equal to 1, it is 32 by 221. And when x is equal to 2, it is 1 by 221. So this is the probability distribution. If you want to go for verification, verify it. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n, pi is equal to 1, pixi. So this is 188 plus 32 plus 1 divided by 221. So what is this equal to? 188 plus 33. 8 plus 3, 11, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 2. This is 221 by 221 is equal to 1. Okay. So this is the probability distribution table. Now find out the variance and the standard deviation. That's all. Now the mean of x is equal to that is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi into pi. So that is equal to E of x is equal to multiply 0 into 188 by 221 plus 1 into 32 by 221 plus 2 into 1 by 221. So This is 221 is the LCM. This is 0 to that's equal to 34 divided by 221. This is the first answer. So mean of x is equal to E of x. E of x is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n I xi and pi. That's equal to 0 into 188 plus 1 into 32 by 221 plus 2 into 1 by 221. That's equal to 34 by 221. Okay. Now find out the value of sigma x square. Sigma x square. Sigma x square is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi square into pi. Now this is equal to 0 square into 188 divided by 221 plus 1 square into 32 divided by 221 plus 2 square into 1 by 221. What is this equal to? This is equal to 0 plus 1 into 32 by plus 2 square is 4 into 221. Take LCM, 221 is LCM, 1 into 32 is 32 plus 4 into 1 is 4, that's equal to 36 divided by 221. Okay, this is sigma x square. Now find out the variance. Now variance is equal to variance of x is equal to, what is the formula for variance of x? E of x square minus E of x all the square. This is the formula. Now what is E of x square? 36 divided by 221 minus E of x. What is E of x? 34 by 221 whole square. Simplify this. Now after simplification, take LCM. Here 221 whole square. In the numerator we will get 6800. So 6800 divided by 221 whole square. This is the value of variance. Now variance of x is equal to 6800 divided by 221 whole square. Now what is required to find is the standard deviation. Now rho x, therefore rho x is equal to square root of variance of x. So this is square root of 6800 divided by square root gets cancelled 221. Square root of 6800 is 82.46 divided by 221. This is 0.37. Variance of x is E of x square minus E of x whole square, 36 by 221 minus 34 by 221 whole square. We can take 221 whole square as a common factor. If we simplify in the numerator, we will get 6800 divided by 2210. 6800 by 221 whole square is nothing but the variance. Therefore, the standard deviation rho x is equal to square root of variance of x. Square root of 6800 square root gets cancelled divided by 221. So that is square root of 6800 is 82.46 divided by 221. That's equal to 0.37. Okay. So hence the standard deviation is equal to 0.37. That's it. This is the required answer. Okay. That's it. Now let us come to a next problem. This is also a very important problem. Let x, suppose if x denotes the sum of the numbers obtained when two fair dice are rolled. So if x denotes the sum of the numbers obtained when two fair dice are rolled, find the variance and the standard deviation of x. Same type of problems we did in the previous class. Now in the last class we did same type of problem. So again the repetition of this type of problem. What is the problem given? Let x denote the sum of the numbers obtained. Sum of the numbers obtained when two fair dice are rolled. Find the variance and the standard deviation. So when x denotes the sum of the numbers, suppose if the first number is x and second number is y, then this is given x plus y. When two fair dice are rolled, find the variance and the standard deviation of x. Now let us come to the answer. Given two fair dice, there are two fair dice are rolled. When two fair dice are rolled, then the number of observation, number of events n of s is equal to 6 into 6, that's equal to 36. So we'll have 36 events. X denotes the sum of the numbers obtained when two fair dice are, hence X can take, see the first value, if the one die is rolled, you are going to get say 1. For the second die it is also 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So therefore, hence X can take the values 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 or 12. It starts from 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now just find out the value of X is equal to 2, X is equal to 3, up to X is equal to 12. Construct a table and find out the value of E and E of X square. Simplify, you will get the answer. That's it. Okay. Now let us come to the first case. When X is equal to 2, just take the value of X is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and find out the probability distribution table. Now when X is equal to 2, that is probability of X is equal to 2. Here the sum of the two numbers is the 2, means the possible events are 1 comma 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So therefore probability of this is 1 divided by 36. Suppose if X is equal to 3, probability of X is equal to 3. Getting the sum as 3 means the possible events are 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So there are two events. This is 2 by 36. Similarly, when X is equal to 4, probability of X is equal to 4 is the numbers. What are the numbers we are going to get? 1 comma 3, again 3 comma 1 and 2 comma 2. So that is equal to 3 by 36. So similarly, for when X is equal to 5, probability of getting X is equal to 5 is 4 by 36. When X is equal to 6, probability of getting X is equal to 6 is 5 divided by 36. Okay. When X is equal to 7, probability of X is equal to 7 is 6 divided by 36. Probability of getting X is equal to 8. X is equal to 8. Sum of the numbers as 8. 8, what are the values we are going to get here for this 8? So when X is equal to 8 means what are the values we are going to get? 2 comma 6, 6 comma 2, again 2, 6, 6, 2. Sum of the two numbers are 8. Again 3 comma 5 and 5 comma 3. So how many possibilities are there? Again 4 comma 4. So 2 plus 6 is 8, 6 plus 2 is 8, 3 plus 5 is 8, 5 plus 3 is 8, 4 plus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is equal to 5 by 36. Similarly, when X is equal to, probability of X is equal to 9 is, it will get reduced by 1. 4 divided by 36. Probability of X is equal to 10 is 3 divided by 36. Probability of X is equal to 11 is 2 divided by 36. Probability of X is equal to 12 is only one possibility, that is 6 comma 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 1 divided by 36. So this is how we are going to calculate. Now substitute these values in a table, that is a probability distribution table. Now therefore the probability distribution table is when X is equal to X and probability of X. When X is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, the last. Now, substitute the values. When X is equal to 2, what is the answer we got? When X is equal to, it is 1 by 36. When X is equal to 2, X is equal to 3, it is 2 by 36. X is equal to 4, 3 by 36. For 5, 4 by 36 goes on in 3 by 36, 4 by 36, 5 by 36, again 6 by 36. Again it goes on decreasing, that is 5 by 36, 4 by 36, 3 by 36, 2 by 36 into 1 by 30. Okay, this is the probability distribution. So if you want, you can verify. For verification, sigma I is equal to 1 to n, P of I is equal to 1. Take LCM, 36 is the LCM. Add 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, plus 6 is 26, plus 4 is 30, 33, 33, 35, 36. 36 by 36 is 1. Okay, this is the probability distribution table. Okay, now find out mu's. Mu is nothing but E of x. So mu is equal to E of x is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi into pi. Now just multiply and simplify. So therefore E of x is equal to 2 into 1 by 36 plus 3 into 2 by 36 plus 4 into 3 by 36 plus 5 into 4 by 36 plus 5 into 6 into 5 by 36 plus 7 into 6 by 36 plus 8 into 5 by 36 plus 9 into 4 by 36 plus 10 into 3 divided by 36 plus 11 into 2 by 36 plus 12 into 1 divided by 36. Now just take the LCM and simplify. Here, what is the LCM? 36 is the LCM. I can write here 36 is the LCM. Multiply. 2 ones are 2 plus 3 twos are 6 plus 4 threes are 12 plus 5 fours are 20 plus 5 6 are 30 plus again 6 into 7 42 plus 8 into 5 40 plus 9 into 6 36 plus 10 into 3 is 30 plus 11 twos are 22 plus 12 ones are 12. So this divided by 36. So if I add this, you are going to get it as 252. So this is equal to 252 divided by 36. This is exactly equal to 7. So therefore E of x is equal to 7. Now similarly find out E of x square. Now I will go to the next page. E of x square. Now E of x square. E of x square is equal to same. This is sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi square into probability of I. Just square the number. The square of 2 square is 4. 4 into 1 by 36 plus 3 square 9 into 2 by 36. 2 square 3 square 4 square 16 into 3 by 36. 5 square is 25 into 4 by 36 plus 5 6 square 36 into it is 5 by 36. Okay, because it's coming in order. 5 6 after 6 it is 7 square. 7 square is 49 into 6 by 36 plus 8 square 8 8s are 64 into 5 by 36. 8 9 square 9 9s are 81 into 4 by 36. 10 square is 100 into 3 by 36 plus 10 11 square 121 into 2 by 36 plus last one 12 square 144 into 1 divided by 30. Okay, this is the value of xi square into pi. Now just add, take LCM and simplify. So this is equal to, therefore E of x square is equal to, take LCM here, 36 is the LCM, multiply. So 1 into 4 is 4 plus 9 into 2 18 plus 16 into 3 48 plus 25 into 4 it is 100 plus 36 into 5 it is 180 plus multiplied 49 into 6 it is 294 plus 64 into 5 is 320 plus 81 into 4 is 4 ones are 4 8 fours are 32 324 plus 100 into 3 is 300 plus 121 into 2 is 242 plus 144. Simplify this. So this is equal to, if you add this, what is the answer we are going to get? Let me add. Yes, if you add this, you will get 1974 divided by 36. So if you divide 1974 divided by 36, exactly you will get 54.83 approximately. E of x square is equal to, therefore E of x square is equal to 54.83. Now calculate the variance of x. So therefore the variance of x is equal to, variance of x is nothing but VA of x. This is equal to, what is the formula for this? E of x square minus E of x whole the square. This is the formula. The variance of x is equal to E of x whole square minus E of x whole the square. What is E of x square? 54.83 minus E of x. What is E of x? From the first table we got E of x is equal to, this is the value of E of x is 7. So this is 7 square. 7 sevens are 49. 5.833. So 5.833. Therefore, the standard deviation is given by, the standard deviation rho x is equal to square root of variance of x. Square root of variance of x. So that is equal to square root of 5.833 is, the square root of 4.833 is nothing but 2.415. So therefore, the standard deviation for the given problem is 2.415. That's it. The variance of x is equal to E of x square minus E of x whole the square. So this is 54.83 minus 7 square is 49. That's equal to 5.833. So therefore, the standard deviation rho x is equal to variance, square root of variance of x, that is square root of 5.833 is 2.415. Hence, the standard deviation for the given problem is 2.415. Okay. So this is the required answer. Hope you followed. These are very important problems. So you may expect one question from this for the point of examination for 5 marks. Okay. So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.